For the past 10 years, or maybe even longer, I was suffering from a variety of orthopedic conditions and pain. I have been treated with physiotherapy and medication for medical problems such as neck tension and upper back, lower back, shoulder, hip, leg, and knee pain from a knee replacement, as well as arthritis in my hands and wrists. Treatments were helping, but it didn't last very long, and the pain kept coming back. A few months ago, my therapist suggested the BQ laser device. I started using the device on each of my painful spots for 8 minutes at home. After about 15 minutes, I started feeling pain relief and easier movement. The relief was quick and long-lasting. My upper back is less rounded now, and my posture has improved, and I have less arm pain. I have had a knee replacement, and the laser has helped relieve the post-operative pain and has allowed me to do the exercises to regain the strength and stretch in my leg. I am able to walk better and for longer with less limping and pain. Also have less neck, shoulder, and arm pain. Activities of daily living are less tiring and painful. I can honestly recommend the BQ laser to anyone who suffers from pain.